guys, today I'm in the Menominee River. A little windy today. Nice day for a dive. Let's get it. Walleyes are hanging out right down here. Oh, cool. Oh. Whoa. Oh, cool. I'm not really finding much, so I might try a different spot. Left the Hattie Street Bridge area, came over by the boat launch in Stevenson Island. Some kind of river sponge or something. I knew it. It was lying on me. Kind of cold going the second time.
Hooks and the split rings are good on it.
Cool. Come on, son. Come out. Got it. Wow. Never seen that before. Ouch. Just got out of the Menominee River. A little chill right now, but we're gonna finish this here. Pull out about 30-40 lures today. It's a decent haul. Get some cans out of the water, some glass, plastic, a golf ball. Chilly. Gonna go home and get a hot shower and sort through them lures.